Now in this video we will see about the molecular mass and mole concept. The molecular mass of a substance is the sum of atomic masses of all the atoms in a molecule of the substance. So now let us see some examples. Calculate the molecular mass of water. So in water we have two I's and one O. So the atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, the atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So to find out the molecular mass of water, we need to multiply 2 into 1, as hydrogen is 2 atoms and oxygen is 1 into 16. So altogether we get 18U. This is how to find out molecular masses. Now we'll go to the formula mass unit. The formula mass unit of a substance is a sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms in the formula unit of a compound. So the formula mass is used in case of the compounds having ions. If the compound does not have ions, then we need to say molecular formula. How to calculate the formula unit mass is same like molecular mass. Let us see how to calculate the formula mass unit of calcium chloride. The atomic mass of calcium plus 2 into atomic mass of chlorine, as we have 1 calcium and 2 chlorine atoms. So atomic mass of calcium is 40 into number of atoms is 1. 40 into 1 we get 40 plus 2 into 35.5. 2 comes from the number of atoms is 2. Atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5. So altogether when we multiply and add it, you will get 111. Now let us see how your textual question: calculate the molecular masses of H2, O2, CO2, Cl2, CH4 and C2H6. For H2, 1 into 2 you will get 2. For oxygen we will get 16 into 2, that is 32. For chlorine, 35.5 into 2, then we will get 71. For carbon dioxide, carbon having atomic mass 12 plus oxygen has 16 into 2, so 16 into 2 means 32, 32 plus 12, it is 44. Like this one, for CH4, 12 plus 4 into 1, so altogether you will get 16. The remaining you can do yourself. Like this one, calculate the formula unit mass of ZnO. ZnO means Zn into 1 plus O into 1. So 65 plus 16, you will get 81. You will get it 81. Now we'll discuss about the mole concept. A chemical reaction equations indicate directly the number of atoms. Indicates directly the number of atoms. Or molecules taking part in the reactions. Therefore, it is more convenient to refer to that quantity of a substance in terms of the number of molecules or atoms. Rather than their masses. A new unit which we call as mole is used to express this. 1 mole of any substance, that is atom or molecules or ions or particles, is that quantity in numbers having the mass equal to atomic mass or molecular mass in grams. The number of particles, that is atom, molecule or ions present in 1 mole of any substance is fixed with a value of 6.022 into 10 power 23. And this number is experimentally obtained values, and it was calculated by Avogadro That is why this number is called as a Avogadro number. It is represented by either NO or NA. Say 1 mole of any substance is the amount of the particles which contain 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 numbers of particles. So in short we can say that 1 mole is the quantity of a matter which contains 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 numbers of particles. This is the definition of your mole. Now let us see about the advantage of expressing moles. Now now we know that if we say 1 dozen, then we get 12 numbers. If we say 1 gross, then we have 144 number of particles. If we say 1 mole, then you have 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 numbers. So the expression in terms of mole have an advantage as it can express a fixed quantity. The mass of 1 mole of any substance is equal to the relative atomic or molecular mass in grams. The atomic mass of an element gives us the mass of 1 atom of that element in atomic mass unit. So the mass of 1 mole of an atom of that element, that is molar mass, we have to take the same numerical values but changes the unit from U to gram. The molecular mass of an atom is known as a gram atomic mass. That means gram atomic mass means molar mass expressed in terms of gram are called as a gram atomic mass. Now we'll see it how to find out the gram molecular mass or molar mass of a molecule. In order to find out that one, we need to understand some formula. First one, number of moles equal to given mass by molecular mass. In short, n indicates, small n indicates the number of mole, and given mass means small m, and molecular mass means capital M. This is the first formula to find out moles. Another interesting formula is to find out the number of particles. We need to divide the given number of particles into Avogadro numbers. This was represented by n, small n equal to capital N by n naught. Thank you.